In the previous tutorial, I briefly introduced the equalizers and how to use them, but now I would like to show you and demonstrate for you how it sounds when you cut them and turn them up separately. So let's start with track here. So the high top is like the highest frequencies, that is like the hi-hats, the snares that will be in the top of the sound spectrum. So if I cut it out, you can hear how that goes away. It sounds like there's a party in the basement. Turn it back up, comes back on. So the high mid is sort of like what's usually vocals would be in this in these frequencies, but it's all tracks are different, so you can't say that only the vocals are here. It depends on the track, so you just have to feel your way through it. Then we have the low mid, which is usually where the kick is. Let's hear it. So you can hear like the lower bass kick, but like the sharpness of the kick will be in the lower mid. And then we have the low, which is like the deepest bass frequencies. You can mix these as well if you want to cut out the entire lower end, like this. Only having these. And then you can bring them in one by one or at the same time. Gradually building up the energy. And you can do the same with the top. So when you do a long mix, this is really beneficial because you can tweak the sounds a lot with these 4-band EQs. So now I will show you how to do a transition using the EQs. I'm gonna press the Q and turning this up. Then pressing the Q for this track over here, getting ready for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning this up so I can hear both in my headphones. Turning down the bass so I get like only the top frequencies. Leaving the bass down. And then turning this down. So we are moving from this track onto this track. Turning these down gradually as well. Then if you want to kill this entirely, this track over here, you can either turn it down like this, or you can gradually turn these down. And once you've turned these down like this, that means like the track will be killed completely. So you can do that or either turn it down, matter of preference.